some of this over down into that direction and then see if we hear or see anybody?
Sure. Yeah, I don't care.
Might as well take some. Like, what if we go in here, push this that way, then drop down to that bank and come back up and then work the rest of this over?
Yeah, I'm good with that. We'll be able to see him running at this height too, so you gotta keep our eyes in front of us. This is where the top fields are. I was getting the spots mixed up.
Gotcha. Yeah.
So we've pushed birds here before.
Yeah,
for sure.
Definitely down here.
Yeah.
Flew up into those woods.
Yep.
Remember chasing? Yeah, you lost your hat as you ran after that one. All right, so we can either keep zigzagging as we come down this, like going that way and this way, or we can, I don't know, go down so far and then, yeah, go all the way up over there and work that way. I don't know.
Kind of like that idea, because then we're pushing into each cut through. So if there's birds running, they'll go up in that cut through. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So we've seen a lot of birds on that top path anyway.
Yeah.
And this is where we had that one bird go up that we had running in front of us, and we were talking to the guy.
Yeah.
That was this field.
Yeah.
Man, she was just sitting right there. I saw her running. God damn it. Son of a bitch. My safety's not clicking back all the way. I just unloaded it, so you're good. Damn. Alright, out here again for some small game, pheasant. Mostly rabbit, squirrel, whatever we see. Here's that Rick and Ryan. Last time we were here, pushed up a bird. Let's hope for some more action like that. Certainly steep, but how many people are going up that? You know?
Back down or something.
I'll wait right here then.
Alright. Holy crap. Down tree right here.
Is that what that is?
Yeah. Doesn't really look like it anymore, but that's what it is. You gonna give me a second here? Man.
We are how many stories above him?
We're high.
2, 3, 4, 5. We're probably on like the 7th floor or 6th floor.
And it keeps going up from there.
Yeah.
That's pretty steep.
Yeah. Must have been on the ground.
Must have been. Are we doing 2 passes on this or 1 or half?
Well, I figure we might as well, what do you say we stay lower?
Yeah.
And take it like kind of all the way over and then take the upper on the way back.
Alright.
If they've been up there all this time.
Exactly.
So we go, should we try this over here?
It's pretty adventurous.
It's alright? Not thinking about it too much?
No.
Good.
You sure? You got a weird look on your face.
I don't know.
I've been doing that.
I've been doing sign in and
Whoa!
I was not ready for that. Damn, that sucks. Alright. I was not ready. I fumbled here. I was like this before I got into that.
And I lagged with the damn safety, like getting the safety off. Like I'm so wanting to get on the bird with the gun that.
Man.
Damn it.
Damn, I can't believe that. At this point, Chris can make a montage of us just missing birds. There you go.
Yeah. Huh?
That's what I like to call redemption, baby. Oh yeah.
But I think it was a cool body shot.
Nice shot. Who gives a crap? You can pick pellets out. Look at that, how it got caught in there.
Maybe that's how that wing got.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Nice. Is it dead?
Yeah. It's gotta be.
Imagine, although he had a movement there.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, that was a full body shot. That was nice.
Yeah, you peppered that son of a gun.
Can you see it? Where he got hit?
I'm assuming some of these loose feathers here.
Yeah.
There's blood on the beak though.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh man, good stuff. Yeah, you hit him in the body because there's blood back here and stuff too.
I could see the way he got hit and like went down.
Yeah, he kind of got propelled to the side.
Safety. Oh well, like you said.
Cool bird.
It's
I'll pick
food.
pellets.
Yeah. Rather pick pellets than not have one. Cockbird too at that. It looks like a younger one though. Tail feathers aren't super long.
That makes sense.
He looks like a smaller one too, doesn't he? Look a little bit smaller than the
Yeah.
ones that I got.
It does.
I haven't seen a dead pheasant in 5 years.
Man, I'm so happy. God damn, I'm happy.
The curse is broken. Now we're all gonna hit shots.
Let's do it.
Oh yeah. Oh, I told you I had a good feeling about today. I told you.
You did.
Got it all on video too.
I was walking that way and then I turned around.
Because I
and
looked
saw
over,
him.
I heard him go up like right away.
So did I. I heard the.
And I was on him too, but I didn't even do the safety because you were in between me and him and I didn't want to take that shot.
I heard the.
Obviously I didn't have to, but
Redemption.
now I need one.
Yeah.
Alright, I think we gotta come over here though because this is good. 2 birds within a span of like 5-10 minutes.
Yeah. Do you want to walk through this or do you want to go just straight up this?
We might as well just walk the edge of this, right? I mean,
I think there's more of an opportunity there than up there. So yeah. I got 9,002 steps.
9,002. Let's see what I'm at. Whoa, 9,791.
All right.
Yeah, 9,520.
All right, so we're all there.
I'm just the most active, I guess. That's all.
They might just rip right off and this might not work. Didn't quite go the way it normally does
No.
because of the compromise of the rest of the
Yeah. Here's a little heart.
Yep.
What hurt? It's in your head? Oof. I would say so.
Because it was flying this way. I think it high wing on the one top side, and then I think that all came through this and came into this area.
Yep.
Well, too much, but just give me some. No more.
Alright.
And
That's
that's
it right there. Yeah. Good clean breast meat.
Yep.
Alright.
So are we gonna do anything?